can't hear them right now, but you can see that there are some ravens circling. We always have ravens, huh? Always ravens. They're very smart, you know. And they like my yard because I have water in here, and once in a while I'll put out a little bit of bread or something. They like it. And look at that cloud cover. We have a lot of cumulus clouds today, don't we? Yep. I don't know if it's going to rain or not. It may be. That is the sun. Isn't that funny? The sun in back of the clouds. Huh. That's what they call kind of thick cloud cover, but not perfectly thick. I would like it if it rained a little bit for the garden. I do not hear other birds. I don't see them right now. They're kind of busy, I think, making their nests, eating their seeds, doing their birdie things. As I mentioned before, these are some of our Christmas trees that I took in my vehicle, sometimes in a car, sometimes in my truck. For Christmas in Las Vegas, I go visit my kids. I stay in a condo and decorate it and planted the trees. And look, it's super tall. And I just like to remember that Christmas being with my family. It's a very pleasant memory for me. It's very nice. It's very nice to have a place to put the trees so they grow. I'm very happy about that. That's one of them that I put in later, but this one's been in about 5 or 6 years, and it's very tall, as you can tell, because I'm holding the camera about eye level to a grown-up lady, and that's a really tall tree, and I love it. And so do the insects and the birds. It's getting pine cones. It likes it here because I water it plenty, and there's also a lot of nice leaves to decompose and lots of nice earthworms. We probably have 1 billion earthworms that help contribute to the health of the tree. And this is a smaller one. This little tree was only about 8 inches when I got it. It was so cute. I think I took it into one of my classrooms, probably in Rialto, and I kept it because it was alive. And so I have the privilege of planting it and growing it. Oh, there it is, way up there. So I get Merry Christmas every year, and I get Merry Christmas every day. So have a nice day. Bye.